So today we're going to look at the backpack for trekking from Berghaus, 30 liters. Let's just take it out. And as soon as you take it out, you can tell its quality by the way it feels, looks. Yeah. So Berghaus reflective band on both sides. This is adjustable for when you strap it around yourself. Let's just have a look quickly at the label. So you see Berghaus, they do have this adjustments and fixes for free. So this is called the Arrow 30. If you ever need this, guys. Okay, so let's have a quick look around the backpack. So let me see if I can put it like that. So it's just so slippery. Okay, just stay like that. Okay, so overall look, it's quite small, because obviously it's like 30. I mean, it's not small, but it's 30 liters. This probably is if you want to put your poles through, you know, those two stickers that you use to walk. It has two pockets zipped on the side, more straps in here, probably for the poles, or if you want to touch different things, this as well. So the top is covered. Let's just open the cover, and like you are used to, the top will be like this. Is there any pocket on the top? No, there isn't. Let's just see the inside space. You open up like that. Let's just do it with two hands. So that's the interesting system I haven't seen before. So you just drag on this, otherwise you won't open. You just have to drag from here. So that's how it is inside. You have a space area. And then you have this separation. And here, that's tough. And then down the bottom, it seems like you probably have the thing that goes on top when it rains. So it's just a big space. And then you have this side pockets, which are quite spacious. You have two of them on each side. And then right at the bottom you have the mesh that goes on top of it with Berghaus, and that protects it from heavy rain. That thing that you put on top of it, I'll show you towards the end. Okay, so the back is really nice, has this separation to allow air to flow, and the handles really good quality. And this is adjustable, so you can move it up and down. That's for your across the body, and this is for the bottom bit. So yeah, I'll definitely show you in just a bit. But otherwise, it's a really nice backpack. So I've just noticed towards the end there has a really big pocket here on the top, which is quite useful to access different things. Look at that, that's lovely. So that's how it is on the back. It fits well. You get this as well. And then at the bottom is the raincoat. Very comfortable to wear. And then on the front you have the straps like this, and then with this on the side. And that's it. Thank you.